there always seems to be new tests that arise, and we find that recent events have put even more focus on somewhat familiar challenges. Remote operations, remote services, and expert support, more need for autonomy, digitalization, and efficient project execution all seem to be a necessity rather than continuous improvement endeavors. And all these challenges demand security and protection against cyber threats more than ever before. Hello, I'm Roy Tanner, and I'm excited to talk to you about the latest release of System 800XA version 6.1.1. In addition to making the implementation of digital solutions simpler and more sustainable, System 800XA version 6.1.1 is based on the latest operating systems, includes leaps in engineering, communications, and I/O capabilities that will provide the foundation that helps power your digital transformation. To reduce risk to production environments, keeping current with the latest available operating systems and related software platforms is extremely important. System 800XA version 6.1.1 includes lifecycle updates, including the support for both Windows 2016 and Windows 2019 LTS versions simultaneously. This dual operating system support and System 800XA's ability to update rather than upgrade gives customers more freedom to update their systems node by node or groups of nodes over time and online to reduce or eliminate downtime. In addition to having the latest patches and security updates that come with the latest operating systems, 800XA version 6.1.1 includes ISA secure compliance for its most popular process and safety controllers, and also supports McAfee endpoint security applications, such as application control, to better protect against cyber threats. Implementing new technology that can leverage existing data in a running plant is not always easy. While the potential upside can't be ignored, technology, complexity, hardware and software modifications increase risk to a running facility, resulting in plants usually giving up and continuing to operate as they have been for decades. One such area that sees these barriers is digitalization. Data sources are usually trapped in plant floor systems and devices, for example, in your DCS. System 800XA version 6.1.1 helps accelerate digital transformation through the power of integration, making implementing and maintaining digital solutions easier than ever. Available for version 6.1.1 is an 800XA publisher system extension that allows users to securely connect to and easily select which data is to be streamed to on-premise or cloud-based ABB Ability solutions. This data is then available in context to various continuous improvement digital applications such as dashboards, mobile solutions, calculations, analytics, and more. OPC Classic has been a staple in the automation industry for decades, providing communications between systems, applications, controllers, and more. And it will be around for a long time to come. However, it does have some limitations. The next edition, OPC UA, or Unified Architecture, solves many of the issues for today's project requirements, bringing platform independence, embedded security, IIoT readiness, and more. With System 800XA version 6.1.1, a wide variety of OPC UA connectivity points are available, such as an OPC UA client and server on the system level, OPC UA connectivity directly to an AC800M controller, and additional OPC UA capabilities added to 800XA history. Having these options provide the ability to choose the right way to move data in and out of the system efficiently, safely, and securely. Standardization of local and remote I/O cabinets has been sought after and attempted for decades, as this will have tremendous benefits to automation projects. Standardized I/O cabinets can be pre-designed, pre-wired, pre-tested, pre-certified, and easier to install. And that translates to reduced engineering effort, shorter delivery times, and reduced documentation, and more. However, to realize these benefits, you need an I/O platform that can accommodate change without requiring modifications to the design. In most cases, these modifications result in cabinet rework, and that means added labor and change orders. To provide the most flexible I/O system on the market that supports true standardized I/O cabinet designs, System 800XA Select I/O has been fortified with intrinsically safe signal conditioning modules, or SCMs, and native single-mode fiber optic interface modules. These additions reduce the impact of late changes and keep cabinet footprint to a minimum. In addition, channel redundancy is supported for both process and safety I/O. And a ground fault detection SCM is now available, reducing yet another component that would need to be added to I/O cabinets, wired, and documented. Please check out 800XAHardwareSelector.com for the various Select I/O modules available. There you can also find information on 800XA's AC800M process controllers, as well as other I/O families like S800 and S900. System 800XA version 6.1.1 provides simplified, faster commissioning of greenfield projects and brownfield expansions. System 800XA version 6.1.1 includes a new and improved Ethernet I/O field kit, now enhanced with extreme commissioning, that intuitively leads field technicians through the entire commissioning process without having to learn System 800XA software in detail. In addition, extreme commissioning automatically performs and documents loop checks of multiple smart devices simultaneously. And if you happen to have the control application, it can even check the alarm limits. Recently, I was witness to the loop checking process at a customer site, and I was somewhat surprised that the tasks were pretty much done in the same traditional way that they've been done for decades. There was a person in the control room with a radio confirming that the correctly arranged signal values were making it all the way to the operator graphics and faceplates when a field technician forced values into the instrumentation. This process was done painstakingly for each device, taking anywhere from 30 minutes to a full hour. With a new and improved Ethernet I/O field kit, the field technician can set up an automated loop check session for a group of smart instruments in less than an hour, and start the session, which takes approximately 2 minutes per device on average. This results in a reduction of well over 90% of the man hours traditionally required. One area that is improved for System 800XA users is the availability of a companion product called Field Information Manager. Field Information Manager is an intuitive, innovative software offering used to manage smart field devices using the latest field device integration technology. It has an intuitive user interface for easy navigation and data interpretation. It's extremely scalable, from a standalone tool to providing advanced device management, sitting alongside DCS systems, and even acting as a gateway to cloud-based asset performance management solutions. Also, it connects to an online driver repository, eliminating the need to search for various device drivers. Field Information Manager integrates to System 800XA to provide an outstanding user experience by automatically configuring System 800XA's hardware topology and sensing the connected smart devices, making device management tasks a breeze. In order to provide standards compliant plug and produce capabilities that improve production flexibility and competitiveness, System 800XA allows you to seamlessly import modular type packages, regardless of the vendor's automation platforms used. It then provides a coordinated control logic to perform supervisory control in a fraction of the time it would take to integrate all of these various islands of automation. And System 800XA version 6.1.1 has many more improvements, such as high performance trend elements that can be embedded into your graphics, improved history data collection to reduce the number of nodes, and better integration between 800XA and ABB drives, and much more. And that's why we feel that choosing System 800XA version 6.1.1 will be one of the easiest decisions you'll ever make. Regardless if you're an existing owner of an 800XA system and need to accelerate your digital transformation, or looking for an automation platform for your next project that will ensure it will be delivered on time and on budget, System 800XA version 6.1.1 will be an easy call to make.